Broadcasting lies to the message on the TV screen with the accomplice of the characters of stupidity. Reiterate America has got no hope with its realistic studies dragging down the goal. Bring back his television, government supervision. Media was bought out and now makes the wrong decisions. Taxpaying dollars force our destruction to the corporate media's corruption. Broadcast, they are high. Broadcast.
Not every day you get to go to a show at Epcot. Let's go. Getting herded like sheep to go see a show. At least it has a view though.
Bowling for Soup! Bowling for Soup! Hey, 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 bowling for Soup! Hey! Get ready, everyone, for some crazy fun. The greatest show on earth is here for you. Hey, hey, the boys are back in town. We're gonna party down, 'cause here comes bowling for Soup. Hey, hey. Drums, guitar, and bass are gonna rock your face. Kicking lots of ass, what they do. Hey, hey. Come along with us, get on the party bus. Here comes bowling for Soup. Hey, hey. Here comes bowling for Soup. Hey, hey. Here comes bowling for Soup. Hey, 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 bowling for Soup. Hey.
Tonight and I'm waiting to finally talk to you. Her name is Nona, she's a rocker with a nose ring. She wears it to it, but I'm not quite sure what that is. When she walks on the wind blows and the angels sing, she doesn't notice me. Come on, sing, walk the grassland. Listening to rap now. It's like a bad movie, she's looking through me. If you were me, then you'd be screaming, someone shoot me. As I fell recently, trying to get the girl out of that guy's one. She's a girl out of that guy's one. She likes the jobs making all like Cajun orange. Her speedy changes full of seniors that are mad at the dad. She said she liked this for something that I afford. She'll never know that I'm the best that she'll ever have. When she walks, how the wind blows and the angels sing, she'll never notice me. Everybody, that's that. She needs to rock now. She likes to wear a mustache, race taxis and bags, driving in a tram down, talks about the bigger man. It's like a bad movie, she's looking through me. You were me, then you'd be screaming, someone shoot me. As I found discipline, trying to get the girl out of bed. Guy's one, she's a girl out of bed. Guy's one, she's a girl out of bed. Guy's one, she's a girl out of bed. Guy's one. There she goes again with fishnets on, a dreadlocks in her hair. She broke my heart, I wanna be satanic. Come on! I'm watching wrestling. They see it to rap metal. I can't grow a mustache. I got some moped. It's like a bad movie, she's looking through me. If you were me, then you'd be screaming, someone shoot me. As I fell discipline, trying to get the girl out of bed. Guy's one, she's a girl out of bed. Guy's one, she's a girl out of bed.
still feels weird leaving here after a show, but Bowling for Soup was awesome tonight, guys. If you get the chance to see one of the Epcot shows, like the Eat the Beat series, like they do during Food and Wine, it's a super good time. So please be sure to like, comment, share, subscribe here on YouTube. You never know what other random shows I might film for you. Check out the ones I still have on the channel. We got AFI, we got NoFX's final shows, and several other awesome ones. See you guys in the Circle Pit. Oh wait, they didn't have a Circle Pit there tonight.
Your First Amendment politicians violate the Constitution. Freedom of expression is no longer a right. Now we stand